Very warm welcome to all of you. In this lecture, we are going to create our server again. But this time, we will be creating the server using CentOS 7 and we will be installing Nginx with PHP FPM version instead of Apache. So let's go ahead to our Vesta control panel website, which is the vestacp.com. Let's go ahead and click on install here. Now, please make sure that the version you are going to use is supported. So I am using CentOS 7. You can use any version you like, but I think CentOS 7 gives better performance with this model. So advanced install, we are going to set FTP. We will use the default one. We are going to use Axiom plus Tavecoat only. We don't need the claim antivirus and spam session and all. DNS we will be using the named. Spirefall we need both of them. Soft leashes we don't need it. Additional repository, yes, REMI, let's leave it. File system, no. Database we'll be using MySQL. If you want both, you can install both. If you want PostgreSQL, you can use that one. But I think the MySQL is better. This is my configuration. However, just change it to whatever you like. So maybe you only need Apache, you can use Apache. I'm going to use Nginx plus PHP FPM. That is the most high performance based version. This will be able to handle more than 20,000 visitors on a 2 GB RAM server very easily. In mail, I'm just using examples they've got, but if you really need spam session and claim antivirus, please feel free to use that. This is just a demonstration purpose. That's why I'm just using these two. And hostname will be again your server one dot your domain name. And email will be our public email. I would recommend you to please leave the password blank. That's a recommendation because that's gonna give you a default password, and here is the custom code here. Let's go ahead and log into our server. Let's accept the fingerprint and let's change the password here because this is a new installation with CentOS 7, if you remember. Okay, here we go. Let's clear the screen. So we are gonna copy these commands. So first is the curl command. Now curl is just like the wget. It just download a file from the internet. So there is a script here which we downloaded. Now we are going to run this script with these settings. And a recommendation here is to add -- force as well. Vesta is not giving that, but this is my personal tip here that you can use force with it. Okay, so it's gonna take some time because on CentOS it just takes some time verifying all the things. Okay, it starts. Now it's show you whatever will be installed. So we are going to install Nginx plus PHP FPM model. If you just see here, right? So I think this whole configuration is correct. Let's just proceed here, and it's gonna it's a LEMP stack, LEMP. So a LEMP stack here, and it will again take time, but to be honest, it's not gonna too much slow because this is a custom install. So maximum 3 minutes. Maximum 3 minutes. And it is updating my system basically. 72 things to be updated. Though I'm sure it will not take more than 30 seconds here. So please don't skip the video again. It's a humble request. Okay, now it says cleaning up all the things which the temporary files it created. So I basically, I'll just show you guys this server is very high performance as compared to the Apache one in some time. Okay, here installation finishes, and now again we have the same problems, like the port 8083 needs to be changed. We even have to configure the DNS servers and all, so we have a lot of new things. So let's just do that in the next lecture.